Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So I've been getting a ton of requests for a good used toy hauler on my Facebook page where I post all these short tours. But this is the 2021 Rogue 371 A13 coming in at $55,000. I thought this was a pretty darn good deal. Figured I would show it to you. But if you guys like RV videos, hit that like and subscribe button for me. And then if you're interested in this, if you find that it's a good deal at 55 grand too, give me a call. But again, it's the 2021 Rogue 371 A13. Since this is a toy hauler, I figured I'll start in the back. I'm going to do a pretty quick tour since this is kind of out of the realm. I usually just do the new ones. So I figured a good little glance-a-rooney, would help you out. But you got the back garage door you see right there folded up. That's going to be your patio system with the cables right there so you can lift it up, sit back, play some poker, enjoy a view, hang out with your buddies. 3,000 pound capacity here on the door. It also has the dovetail, which I'll show you probably from the other side a little better. But this right here is slanted, like that. So that way when you pull up in, like your Harley or something like that, you don't, bottom out. You're also going to see you have rollover sofa over here, rollover sofa over here. So they do meet in the middle to make an absolutely massive bed. And then here up top, you have a queen bed on the strut system that you can pull down, for additional sleeping. It's also a washer and dryer, bathroom and a half, and a loft. Let's head up in there and show you that real quick. But I've never actually been in a Rogue. I've sold RVs for 9 years, never been in one. Pretty darn nice. You also get a lot of tie downs here. So for all your toys, you got plenty of places to strap down. Emergency exit window here behind that little blackout screen. Combo washer and dryer. This is going to be your half bath with the removable door. Kind of a little get-her-done sink with a porcelain toilet. Actually, is it porcelain? Yeah, it's porcelain. You got the mirror. What's up? That one's for the ladies. Flip it around. That's what I was talking about with the dovetail, how it is nice and slanted. Give you another view here. The rollover. Oh, jeez, oh, Pete, what am I doing? I swear, they hire me because I'm friendly. And I go out and do stuff like that. Got an AC back here. Little TV with a speaker. This is going to be your loft. And it's got a little section right there for a ladder to help you get on into it. But this is where I really feel like the camper really kind of separates itself. This interior here is absolutely beautiful, I believe, for a toy hauler at least. You got this U-shaped kitchen where you get plenty of storage, a single stainless steel undermounted bowl, and that's going to be kind of that farm style, looking like that, with the black stainless steel. Little sink that you can, little doodad, hit your dishes from all angles. Gray stone oven with a 3 stovetop burner. Definitely fit a pizza in that. Plenty of storage here underneath. You also get the solid surface countertops. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. And I'll be home soon with some Jimmy John's. Shout out to old Jimmy G for sponsoring this video. I'm just kidding, I wish. I get like tens to hundreds of people that watch these things. Outlet, 2 USBs, 2 USBs, another outlet, more countertop space, more storage here up above. One of the fanciest, largest looking microwaves I've ever seen. Let's open that bad boy up. That's pretty cool. Got a whole bunch of different settings on there. Guess it's actually just kind of a regular looking microwave, but it does look fancier than most. Flip it around, you have the Furrion 12 volt refrigerator, so there is a ton of space in that. And what's nice about the 12 volt on a toy hauler is it does run off your battery as well as shore power, or solar, anything like that. But this would easily give you enough space, for a week-long trip, especially a weekend if you're ripping some four-wheelers or something like that. You also got, the pantry in here for more storage, and more food. What I do enjoy about this is you have this nice tall, high slide. That's what allows you to have the pantry and the refrigerator. But for reference, I am 6 feet tall. So I'd probably put that somewhere around 7 foot, somewhere around there. But what that allows you to do is have this absolutely massive window. So hopefully you can catch a good view where you are. You also get, the zebra shades right there. So full Dracula, half Drac, no Drac. There's also an emergency exit window, so pull, push, and pop. You have another window there with a zebra shade that does open up for a good cross breeze. They're using the Thomas Paine furniture, so very comfortable couch. It also comes with the heat, the light up right there with the accent lighting, and massage, but they're really comfortable for a nap. I've taken many naps in campers, you know, just like that with that feature. So I'm very highly, those are in very high regard with me. You have a little table right here, you know, with a little bench, and then you have plenty of outlets and USBs. So outlet, USB, USB, outlet, outlet. Fancy little chicken wire here up around the light. Fantastic fan there on the ceiling, along with another speaker. Then you got your Insignia TV that's going to be on a swivel with a window here for a nice breeze right below it. Right when you walk inside the door, you got that kind of that brick looking, you know, kind of decor on there. You also have the Adventure Begins. I'm not sure if that comes standard or if the previous owner put that on there, but it's a nice little touch. Makes it kind of feel more like home. You got yourself a gray stone electric fireplace. So that's going to put out 5,100 BTUs of electric heat. So that right there, it's essentially a fancy space heater. And that'll have enough heat to heat this entire room. And depending on how you circulate, if you want to get a fan, it would probably heat the bedroom there as well. Those things are really energy efficient. 2 more outlets, 2 more USBs, 2 more outlets, 2 more USBs. You also got a little handhold for the electric fireplace. This is going to be where you control, you know, all the tunage, zone 1 and zone 2. So that's going to be inside and outside. And this is where you control the campers. This is going to be your docking station. So you have all your lighting right here. You can also check all your tanks. So, you know, battery, fresh tank, black 1, black 2, gray 1, gray 2, water pump, water heater, and then the tank heaters. So that's probably where that I would imagine, and I'm just kind of guessing here how they called it the Armored Edition. You know, I would assume that's because of the tank heaters. It gets you in for extra insulation, kind of helps armor you a little bit more. I'm just projecting there and kind of guessing, but that is what I would assume. You also have your 2 controls there for your AC, so your AC and your heat. And then you got your inverter remote, basically turns on the solar, so I would assume that there's probably solar here up top. Yep, you got your voltage meter right there. Let's see here. A little bit of storage here up above. As you head up into the bedroom bathroom area, you get another window, again with the zebra shade, you know, for hopefully a nice view. Your slide room control. So that's going to be for this, which is going to be like your closet and your dresser, you know, things of that nature. A 2-way bathroom, 2-entry bathroom. Another porcelain throne, some good storage over here to the left. Another little fan here up above. The corner radius shower with a couple little towel hangers up there on the right. Fancy looking sink, that's for sure. Outlet. Brings us into the bedroom. Looks like you're getting a king size bed, and it is slanted up. See what that's about. That's pretty neat. Well, I'll be darned. Extend and retract on the bed. So that is pretty darn cool. So I guess if you like sleeping a little bit up, you know, you're good to go. You also have 2 USBs and 2 outlets on either side. You also get a little dresser action on this side. Little hanging items. 6 drawers for the dresser, which are going to be looking just like that. You also got a little nook there when you're sitting on the bed. You could probably put a little laptop on there and get a little side work done. Another window, another outlet. Excuse me. Another place for some hanging clothes. I know this was a pretty quick rundown, but I'm going to show you on the outside, show you kind of where everything is. But again, this is the 2021 Rogue 371 A13, and it's 55 smackaroonies. So if you guys are in the market, you know, definitely give me a call. So right when we walk out, you got your speakers down low. I love seeing that. Oftentimes you see them up front, but this is where all the action happens. So down low, you actually get better projection there, you know, for the sound coming out. Hits you at a little bit more, you know, kind of ear level. You also have a little bracket right here if you want to hook up a TV. You got your outlets right there as well. Big outside refrigerator to fit a 48 pack there of apple juice. A place where you can put your griddle. A couple outlets and a spray port for some access to some water. And then you got 2 USBs, another outlet right there. Dual axle unit, so it's not going to be too overly heavy. I'll definitely show you the weight sticker because, to be honest, I have no idea what these things weigh. So we come around the back. It looks like they did go ahead, and I'll zoom in here. That right there, that's going to be a rear observation camera. So they went ahead and had that installed. So when you're driving down the road, you can see what's going on behind you. And it looks like one of those ones that you can hook up right up to your phone and Bluetooth connect back to it. You also have your collapsible ladder on this side, so that way you can get on top. This is going to be a fully walkable roof, so you can get on there, check your slides, check your seals, make sure nothing's going wrong with the camper. And the slides are also slide topper prepped. So slide topper runs you $700. It's essentially a piece of awning that goes over top. So as the camper goes in or out, it has a protective layer there on top, kind of like a little hat for the slide. So if like tree branches or pine needles, nuts, anything like that fall down, it protects that from going into your seal. You also have a fuel pump, and I'm going to assume, just like most of the other Forest River products, that will be a 30-gallon tank. 6-point auto leveling. That's going to be where your sewer connection is and where you plug in the camper. You should have another one. Yep, right under here. Low point drain is going to be just under this, and then the rest of your valves are going to be right there. You got your docking station right in here. So this is going to be for like when you winterize or you're dry camping. Black tank flush, which is basically a sprinkler system there for your poop tank. And then you have your tank fill, and then an outside shower with hot and cold water access. Little pass-through storage in here. Little action, and then some access to some of your maintenance. This does show off the construction quality. So you got the aluminum construction, and it is welded at all points. Oh, they got the 4-camera safety system installed. So there's going to be cameras on both sides as well as the rear. So that way when you're driving down, you can see what's going on. It also is gen prepped. So you can put your generator in there. It's about ready to go. You just got to install the plug-ins. Then you got your inverter. Some LED lights running up the front. But guys, I know this was a little different than usual. A little bit quicker, but this is the 2021 Rogue 371 A13. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope to see you next time. My name is Hunter. See ya.